In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have inventory tracking enabled and a new stock item created, so your quantities update automatically as you buy and sell. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. First, open the settings by clicking the settings icon in the top right corner. Inside settings, head to the item's preferences. This is where you control how products and services behave across your account. Look for the option to enable inventory tracking and switch it on. Turning this on allows Zoho Books to maintain quantities on hand, capture costs, and keep your stock levels in sync with your transactions. It's a foundational switch that makes stock movement visible in reports and on each item. After enabling it, click Save to apply the change, then close the settings panel to return to your main workspace. Next, open the Items section. This is your product catalog where you can view and manage everything you sell or stock. To create a new stock item, click New. You'll be taken to the item creation form. Enter a clear, descriptive name for your item. Use a naming structure your team will recognize later, which helps with searches and reports. If you use internal codes or variations, include that in the name so it's easy to distinguish. Now, make sure the option to track inventory for this item is turned on. This tells Zoho Books to treat the item as a stocked product rather than a non-inventory item. With tracking enabled, select the appropriate inventory account. This should be your asset account used to hold the value of your stock. If you're unsure which account to choose, use the standard inventory account set up in your chart of accounts or confirm with your accountant so your balance sheet stays accurate. Next, choose your inventory valuation method. You'll typically see options like FIFO or weighted average. FIFO assumes the first units you buy are the first units you sell, which is common when costs rise over time. Weighted average smooths cost fluctuations by averaging the cost of all units on hand after each purchase. Pick the method that aligns with your accounting policy and reporting needs. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your tracked item is now created. From here on, purchase transactions will increase its quantity on hand, and sales will reduce it automatically. You can monitor stock levels from the items list and get deeper insights in your inventory reports. That's it. Your inventory tracking is enabled, and your new stock item is ready to go.